How to change billing address on Amazon. Hey guys, welcome back to a new video of this channel. If you're also trying to change in the address from your existing address on Amazon, then let me quickly show you how it's done. First of all, let's head over to the app of Amazon. Once you open up the app, on the bottom you'll see this human icon. You just need to tap on this option. And again, it's going to take you to this section where you'll find an option of your account. Tap on the your account option, and if you scroll down from here under account settings, you'll be able to see an option of your addresses. So just tap on this option and it's going to show you your current address first. Now to add in or change in the address, you can just tap on add new address and fill in the details. So type in your address, your city, your state and your zip code. And if you want to add this as your default address, you can check this box and you can tap on add address. And this address will be added on your Amazon. And if you don't need the old address anymore, you can just tap on remove and remove the existing address. So that's how easily you can change the billing address on Amazon. That's all for this video. If you guys found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.